So actually, see, we are not a company with a deep financial backing. So going into these fancy websites and other technical things or marketing things will cost us a lot. But as far as our products are concerned, the current website which we are having right now, it is working fine. It is working fine, and customers love our products.
Being a South Indian, if I had started a brand and established in North India, my sales would have been pathetic because I cannot understand the mindset of North Indian people, their clothing. But whereas southern part of India, like we are not comfortable into even a slight bit of revealing clothes. Our community that we have built, they want style, they want fashionable clothes, but they want modesty. There was this lady who messaged me. She told me, Gopika, you know what? I own 80 plus clothes of Ruffleberry in my wardrobe. I was like, what? Really? Where were you? And I was really surprised.
Actually, there are many challenges also, and the most important thing is switching off. See, for example, when we are in our leisure time, if suddenly one of us gets a business idea and suddenly the environment changes into business talks, that switching into our normal life, we are working on that, and we want to adopt it as soon as possible.
Difficult.
Yeah, it's very difficult.
But we are trying it.
No, not at all. We never run sale in Ruffleberry. Only recently we have introduced this launch day discount for 48 hours, and more surprisingly, the sales we get on launch day discount and the rest of the days, the numbers are almost equal. And this is the biggest validation for small businesses like us. The most common question a small business often heard is about pricing. See, there are so many low priced outfits in the market, but when compared to the quality and durability a small business offer, there is a huge difference between those two products. And we take time in explaining this to our customers. Yeah, actually, so many categories are already in pipeline. Soon we are going to launch this for festive wear or ethnic wear categories.